today we're gonna hunt for some new coins. Let's hope we actually find a good one this time. First of all, make sure to join my Discord channel. The link is down in the description, also in the comments. Here I share my calls. You can see them here under Crypto Signals, and we have such a nice community here. And you can also join my Telegram. The link is also on the Discord, where I will give an announcement for the new coins that I find. And we've actually made some crazy gains in the past. If you just look at this, there are literally 10x gains calls that I've made here. And yeah, we're currently 1k members, so feel free to join. It's all completely free. Yeah, let's get right into this video, guys. Oh wait, I have to switch my wallet real quick so I can use this tool. By the way, I'm using this tool, Tokemon. Everyone already asked me which tool I use to scan coins, and this is the tool that I use. It's called Tokemon. The link is also down in the description for you to buy the same tool that I use. I'm gonna show you how it looks like right now. Oh, this is my login. You probably shouldn't see this. Whatever. Yeah, let's see if we find some coins right here. I'm really excited actually. So here you can go in for Ethereum coins and for PancakeSwap coins on this tool. And I'm firstly gonna check for some PancakeSwap coins. I really like to look for Ethereum coins as well, because actually I have had the best gains. It's funny, but I've actually had the best gains on Uniswap games and not on PancakeSwap coins. Actually, that's really funny. The biggest ones are all Ethereum, and I've also followed some big whale wallets, and the biggest calls were all on Ethereum. I mean, all of those whales only buy Ethereum coins, which is really interesting. Anyways, so here are my saved searches. You can use. I mostly use new tokens here to find the latest ones. Let's see what we get here. So the first thing I always do is I press on liquidity to filter this, so I can actually see how much liquidity these coins have. And I do not invest into coins which have below 10k liquidity, because it's just not a serious coin, you know. It's just not serious if you don't add more than 10k liquidity. Even 10k is actually low, but yeah. So if you see, there are 100 new coins, and only like 10 or so out of them have a high liquidity. So let's check them out together. A liquidity over 10k, I mean. Let's check them out. Yeah, I'm recording good. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Which one did I click now? I didn't check. Potato, Cardano pad, Lucky Inu. I'm gonna open all of them in a new tab. So the cool thing about Tokemon is that you can actually you actually have all links on here, which is really handy. So let's see here. And you also have some graphs, as you can see. How many holders do they have, the transactions. I don't really look at those three, but I look at holders. So let's see, PancakeSwap, Unicrypt, if they've locked liquidity. Oh shit, am I actually on? Oh yeah, I'm Unicrypt, no locked liquidity. Also, the most important thing actually out of all is actually the BScan link. I also opened the Pooncoin link in the token sniffer, and also the Unicrypt one to check if the token sniffer doesn't work somehow at the moment. I don't know what the problem is. Anyway, it's not that important. It's actually not that important. So let's look at the chart here. This already looks really suspicious. It could be a honeypot, you know, because there are only greens. There's not one single cell. So I'm pretty sure it's actually a honeypot already, but we'll see now. We go into the BScan. The contract is verified. Let's see if it's locked. The contract is not locked. Let's also search for minting. Oh my Search function is bugged. This is never good. Unless it's a mint token, but I don't think this is one. So that's actually already a red flag. I have to check this code. I'm actually not a programmer. I should actually have to ask my friend. I'm gonna do this right now. Mint address. If this is a bad code actually. Shit, now I lost the link. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be back. I just don't want to forget this. Where the fuck? I have too many links open. What? Where is it? Oh, I clicked on some. Wait, actually I should have it here. It didn't get saved. What? Let's see. Mint. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be right back. I just don't want to forget this because I actually want to ask them if this code is bad or not. Anyways, so let's see. That's gonna be a scan. Alright, the contract we checked. Then the next thing is I go on token tracker to look at the holders. This is really important. Here you can see we have only 12 holders, which is really low actually. So 92% is on the contract here, you can see this here. And 6% of the supplies on this wallet here. This looks like a dev wallet because it has 100k or a really an equal number here. And I mean an exact number nearly. It really looks like a dev wallet, and 6% is quite a lot, but it's not that bad. Anyways, I think I wouldn't invest into this token because you have 0 cells. There's a mint function, and also yeah, there are 0 cells. It's actually the biggest red flag. So yeah, I believe this is a honeypot. Alright, let's go to the next one. Anime waifu, what is that name? Let's quickly check this. Contracts is verified, that's good. Block. Fee added to liquidity pool. Alright, that seems good. 50% burned. Let's see if we can find an unlock. The contract isn't locked for any time. It's not too good. Let's see if we have a mint. Is this actually not a bad mint function? Maybe this is actually not the real mint function. I actually don't know right now. Let's see if they responded. Oh no. Okay, it's actually a scam. This code right here is very bad. Just confirmed by Martin. He's coding coins himself, and yeah. Yeah, so this is a scam actually. That's funny. So if you see this mint, which we just found again, it's very bad. Then it's a mint function, which is really, which you never should invest. You're gonna lose all your money. Anime waifu. Let's just for fun look at the holders because we're already on this page. This is burned, which is good. 50% is locked. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. But the mint function is too much of a red flag. I'm gonna go to the next coin. Cardano pad. What are those names? Names get worse and worse every day. Contract is not verified. This means I skipped this one already because if the contract is not verified, I can do anything to the coin. This was a fast one. This is how you do it basically. It's if you know how to do it, it's really a quick process. Oh shit, my battery is getting really low. So I guess I have to do it. This contract is also not verified. We go to the next one. Let's see, glued coin. This is why I tell you, it's not easy to find a good contract, even, I mean a good token. It's really difficult actually nowadays. You have to take so much time. Oh, I didn't check the contract out. I'm just gonna check the holders here real quick. This looks really good. As you can see, it's really distributed among, there's no one who has a huge percent of the wallet except this contract here, which is locked. But let's check the contract out really quick. This might actually be a good coin, but don't put your hopes up too quickly. Mint, no mint function. No mint function, that's good. And next thing, lock. What the hell is this? I'm gonna also ask them about this contract. I'm also gonna ask them about this one. Yeah, I've never seen a contract like this, so let's quickly check what was the name. So it's hard to evaluate this one. I always check with Morten and other guys because they know a lot of programming. I'm not that good at reading contracts. I just know the most important things. But let's see. Let's quickly see the pool coin. And also check the Unicrypt really quick. 20k market cap. No sales. No sales. That's never good. Not a single. No. What is this? An unlocked wallet is holding. It is not locked. See, it is not locked. That's the bad thing. Yeah. See, it's a scam. No, it's a scam. You can see this one is actually unlocked. And it has 100% of the coins. Really interesting. So if you see this red flag here, it's actually most certainly a scam. Just do a lot of research when you see this. Alright. I have to actually end this video because my battery is going low. But I will make a new one soon, and maybe we'll find the next scam together. That would be really cool. Yeah, make sure to join the Discord and the Telegram. The link is down below, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe. And let's find some games together in my Discord. Yeah, see you guys. Thank you for watching.